Hey, it's Alex Crabtree, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my photo shoot makeup favorites. My favorite way to prep skin for photo shoot makeup is with MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray. Then I will layer Becca First Light Primer. The spray and cream together moisturize the skin, gives you a nice fresh glow, and helps your foundation stay all day. My favorite thing to give the skin a bronzy glow is Vita Liberata Body Blur. I usually apply it with a fluffy foundation brush. Then I will layer MAC Face and Body Foundation over top of that. The brush I'm using is IT Cosmetics Perfecting Brush number 702. I use this for the primer, bronzer, and foundation. My favorite matte eyeshadow palette is by Urban Decay called the Naked Ultimate Basics palette. This palette has a variety of colors and photograph really well. The brush I'm using is the Mascara Eyeshadow Everything brush. I love this brush because it is the ultimate multitasker. To grab a little bit of the eyeshadow that fell down onto her cheeks, I'm using a mascara makeup wipe. I'm just lightly pressing it under her eye to grab any fallout. All of the eyeshadow colors I used came from the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. Now I'll go back in with a little bit more of the face and body foundation. One of my favorite eyeliner pencils is MAC Graph Black. It's waterproof, retractable, and great to fill in waterlines. Now for contouring, I'll be using the Mascara Detail Hack brush and the Mascara Cream Contour in the color Olive. I love the cream contour because it easily blends into your skin, works well with many foundations, and has a perfect matte finish. When I'm on location at a photo shoot, many times there's not a sink that I can wet a beauty blender. So in place of a beauty blender, I love the Morphe M439 Deluxe Buffer Brush. It's great for blending, works well with creams and powders. My go-to eyebrow pencil is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I love it because the pencil is retractable and the other end has a spoolie brush to blend the product and comb the brows. I'm using the color Granite. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer has become my favorite for photo shoots. It blends perfectly with my MAC Face and Body Foundation and brightens under the eyes. It also conceals problem areas and blemishes really well. This small pointed concealer brush is discontinued, but I've linked one similar in the blog post. Again, I'm using the Morphe brush to blend. As a makeup artist, I cannot use the same mascara wand for every client, so it's really important that I have a mascara fan brush. I love this one by MAC, the number is 205. Also, I should note that I did apply false eyelashes for the after photo. My video had already stopped and I forgot to show you the application. So in the after photos, you will see false eyelashes. Something I love having in my kit is a MAC Pro Lip Color Palette. This allows me to have 6 different lipsticks in the same color family in the same palette. This is a great space saver, and it's also really great because I can use the lipstick colors as liners and lip colors by using a brush. The palette I'm using here is the Plum palette. I love the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist for all the reasons in the title. It's continuous, it's a mist, and it smells amazing. While the Continuous Setting Mist is still a little damp, I will apply the Mascara Vanilla Dust Setting Powder for a nice matte finish. Another great palette that I love is Cinema Secrets Powder Blush Palette. Lately, my favorite powder highlight is the Urban Decay Sin Highlighter. I usually place it in the corner of the eyes, on the brow bone, the high point on the cheek, the cupid's bow of the lip, the nose, and the chin. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And remember to check out the blog post for links to all the products that I love and use in this video. Subscribe for more videos like this one.